Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change transparency in Google Slides. So this is actually pretty simple. Let's say I have this shape right here. I want to change the transparency of this shape, so I will click on it to select it, go over to fill color, and then here you have some options, or you can change it to custom. So click on add custom color, and here you can change transparency. So when I drag to the left, right here you can see how the transparency changes. So I can make it, let's say 50%, press OK. Now it is 50% transparent, so you will be able to see this guy behind it. If I change it to something like, let's say, to like 80%, you should see it is simply less visible. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.